Hi everyone, hope you're okay. We've had another busy couple of weeks here, but I just wanted to post today about the progress of one of our apprentices, Sam. So you might have seen some of the previous posts. Well, Sam started with us in 2019 and he then started his welding apprenticeship in early 2020. And I'm pleased to say that he's actually now qualified as a Lloyds Certified Welder, which I think is an amazing achievement for saying that he's not been with us that long, and for him to be able to achieve the standard to be ready to qualify, I think is a remarkable achievement. So he should be very proud of that. I know we're proud of him, and also proud of the team that's been training him. And again, that's just shows the enthusiasm for all the staff in passing on their skills and knowledge. So well done, Sam, that's brilliant. So not much else to cover this week. We've just had sort of quite busy, we've had some customers visiting this week, so that's been nice to show them around the workshop. And also we've had some filming this week for a documentary for a programme. So we can't give too much information at the moment, but I'm sure in the coming months we'll be posting about that. So I hope everyone's had a really good week and I'll catch up with you again soon.